See, we don't want to touch Siddaramaiah issue because Siddaramaiah issue is in the court. But earlier to just Siddaramaiah issue is a complaint by some individuals. This is a charge sheet and a complaints filed from the agencies which has been inquired. They have done the entire detail and before filing the charge sheet or they have asked for prosecution and the permission, which is long back. So through your media friends and some of the letters was been dropped in our Congress office about this information. We just gone through that and we found out that some representation has gone from the Lokayukta to the governor for prosecute them. And we see that there is a partition issue. So the governor should have acted immediately how he has acted for others. So we are demanding him, you please be fair. This is a case where the entire inquiry has been done. So you just better sanction prosecution and take action legally as per the constitution.
உடனுக்குடன் செய்திகளை தெரிந்து கொள்ள சன் நியூஸ் பெல் ஐகானை கிளிக் பண்ணுங்க.